Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sort your contacts in Motorola H30 Neo. So first of all, sign up and go to the contacts application, then go to fix and manage. Now go to settings and there is a display sort by. There is a first name on the last name and you can sort it by your name or the surname. Yep, there is a surname. So if you know someone from his surname, you should take the last name. And let's take a look how it looks. Yep, and this your last name is on the first plan. The first name is on the last plan, and that's it. So that is all about the sorting. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.